चीफ ऑफ नेवल स्टाफ एडमिरल ज़फ़र महमूद अब्बासी ने वाशिंगटन डीसी के पाकिस्तानी सिफारत खाने में प्रेस ब्रीफिंग देते हुए अमेरिका में इंटरनेशनल सी पावर सिंपोजियम में शिरकत और पाकिस्तान में अगले साल होने वाली नेवल फोर्सेस की मशकों के हवाले से आगाह किया।
इंडिया के साथ जब तक पॉलिटिकल इश्यूज पे कोई रेजोल्यूशन नहीं होती तो नेचुरली सर्विस लेवल पे एक्सरसाइज नहीं हो सकती, लेकिन हम एक फोरम है इंडियन ओशन नेवल सिंपोजियम, उसमें इंडियन नेवी भी उसका मेंबर है, पाकिस्तान नेवी भी मेंबर है, लाइक मैनी अदर नेवीज। तो उसमें हम बैठते हैं साथ और चीज़ें हैं कॉमन मैरिटाइम सिक्योरिटी थ्रेट्स। वो
चीफ ऑफ नेवल स्टाफ एडमिरल ज़फ़र महमूद अब्बासी ने अमेरिका में इंटरनेशनल सी पावर सिंपोजियम में शिरकत के मौके पर वाशिंगटन डीसी के पाकिस्तानी सिफारत खाने में प्रेस ब्रीफिंग देते हुए कहा कि पाकिस्तान फरवरी 2019 में 50 ममालिक की नेवल फोर्सेस की मशकें करवा रहा है, जिसमें चीन और अमेरिका की नेवी भी शिरकत कर रही हैं। इस बात से जाहिर होता है कि पाकिस्तान बहरी अमूर और समंदरों की हिफाजत के लिए इस इलाके में मौसर किरदार अदा कर रहा है।
Pakistan's policy towards Afghanistan would remain the same, and which is that we want peace and stability in Afghanistan. We don't want large tracts of territory inside Afghanistan which are ungovernable outside the influence or writ of the government, because we face a lot of threat. Pakistan has been cleared of these terrorist organizations. We have defeated Al-Qaeda, we have defeated Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan and Jamaat-ul-Ahrar. But unfortunately, these groups, they have, taken refuge inside Afghanistan, and they are launching terrorist attacks from Afghanistan into Pakistan. In 2017 alone, there were 131 attacks in Pakistan, and out of that 123 were conceived, planned and executed from Afghanistan.
उन्होंने कहा कि पाकिस्तान अफगानिस्तान में अमन के लिए आलमी कोशिशों में भी शामिल है ताकि अफगानिस्तान में देरपा अमन कायम किया जा सके।
I keep hearing this, that perhaps Chinese Navy is making some sort of base in Gwadar or Jimini or some other place. There is absolutely no truth to that. Gwadar up till now is purely a commercial harbour, and Pakistan Navy is going to make a big base there, and whenever, so far no foreign warship has entered Gwadar. Whenever any foreign Navy ship enters Gwadar, it would be open to PLA Navy, to US Navy, to Royal Navy, to French Navy, to any other Navy. There are no plans of any foreign base anywhere in Pakistan, including Gwadar. It's being faced by Pakistan. As I've said, that we have this threat from our eastern neighbor, and in a nuclear setting, you have to have this credible nuclear deterrence in order to prevent conflict and war. Now, our eastern neighbor, they had introduced this, sea-based nuclear weapons, which was a major deviation, a major change into the nuclear equation between our two countries. So we think that once you disturbed this strategic stability paradigm, then there is increased risk of war and conflict. So in order to overcome that or address that, we have to have this sea-based nuclear deterrence. But that is just the minimum deterrence required to plug this gap that was created by the introduction of sea-based nuclear weapons.
पाक अमेरिका ताल्लुकात के हवाले से बात करते हुए चीफ ऑफ नेवल स्टाफ का कहना था कि बाहमी ताल्लुकात दोनों मुल्कों के मफाद में हैं, जिसमें हम आहंगी जरूरी है।
What I said was that that is not the only thing between Pakistan and US relationship. We want to maintain a relationship with US based on mutual respect and supporting each other. Pakistan, I don't think there is any question of equating Pakistan with North Korea. These are absolutely two different cases. Pakistan has good standing among the international community, and even now that the relationship with the US is perhaps I would say that it has crossed the trough, and now it is moving in the right direction. Pakistan, as I would say, is a country with a lot of opportunities, a lot of human resource, youthful human resource, more than at any time in its history. 65% of our population is below the age of 30, and we hope to make them educated, skillful, and use them as a resource for our country. And talking about the Navy especially, we are working with other international navies in the maritime domain to work against this common threat, that is the asymmetric threat.
नेवल चीफ एडमिरल जफर अब्बासी का कहना था कि पाकिस्तान कंबाइंड टास्क फोर्स 151 का अहम मेंबर है, जो इंसदाद मंशियात और कज़ाकों के खिलाफ ऑपरेशंस में फ़ाल किरदार अदा कर रहा है।